So today I'm going to be talking about the Vertx Siege Tactical Sling Bag. The one I have here, this is the 15-liter one, so the smaller one. Before we get into this, a little bit about me and bags. I love bags. I have probably hundreds of bags stored in my garage that I don't even use anymore, but I still continue to buy more and more. My wife, whenever I get a shipment or of a new bag that comes in, she always makes fun of me and asks if I've received my new purse. She calls them purses. It's not nice. Not nice, wife. Not nice. But I want to talk to you guys about this bag because this is my current favorite bag right now. This has a ton of cool features to it. For me, I always carry a bag. Either this is basically my everyday carry bag or my travel bag. This bag goes back and forth with me from my house down to the housing where we run classes, where I haul my computer in this, all sorts of stuff. So this is a great bag. Let's start off, since I've got my gun sitting here, let's start off talking about that. Now, with this, it has a slot here on the side where it has this extended grip. So if I am carrying off body, which we'll talk about in a second, if I'm carrying off body, I can easily grab this, rip this thing open to be able to get to my gun that possibly might be inside. So inside here, you've got plenty of material that you can Velcro items to. For me, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I've got a Velcroed G-code, the RTI attachment in here. So then all I have to do is simply take my firearm here. I've got the RTI attachments here, and then I just clip it in and the gun stays nice and secure. All right, so I'm gonna get this out of the way. Let's talk about carrying off body, because I know most of you guys are out there like, oh my God, what do you mean carrying off body? Most of the time I carry a firearm, it's gonna be on body. I carry mostly in the appendix carry, but for some reason, if I wanted to carry off body, if there was some reason I needed to, or I mean, I know a lot of people talk about summertime, they can't find an option to carry their weapon with gym shorts on or something like that. So this is just giving you guys an option, all right, that you can carry it in a sling bag off body if you choose to. All right, now that that's out of the way, we can continue with the bag. So really love, there's very few bags out there that I've seen that has this larger grip to it to really rip, because that's a big concern for me, was dealing with these little guys that I'm like, this may not give me enough grip in a stressful situation to be able to get this bag ripped open and being able to get to my firearm as fast as I possibly can. All right, so love this. They designed it in a way that it doesn't have to be on this side. So for me, I actually had to switch it. It came on the other side, but I like to carry in this formation. So I switched it to this side, so I can easily take that and get it open. All right, so continuing on with the bag, here on the front, you've got a spot here that I put my sunglasses in. It's pretty sure that's what it's meant for. To be able to put your sunglasses in here. You could put other things in there. You've got this front pouch here that I don't really use very often. I guess you could, but I mean, you could undo these guys here, and then it really extends out where you can put like your Kevlar helmet in here. You could, if you're traveling, you could put extra clothes. It's a pretty good size little area that opens up. But like for me, I very seldom, I think I've used it like one time, and I've had this bag since they first released them, I think like 3-4 months ago, maybe longer. And I, like I said, I carry this thing every day. So that's the front. On the side here, you've got a pouch. I bought a water bottle specifically to fit this here. So when I'm traveling, I can carry a smaller water bottle that goes right into this pocket here. On this side, so you got you've got the zipper side over here to open up to get to your gun, but you also have a separate pouch on this side here. So this, I may store protein bars. I may, I think I usually carry my bag of money in here when it comes to cash back and forth to the ranch house and stuff. So you got plenty of space in here to store extra items. In the front here, you've got a little pouch here. So usually what I use this for, especially if I'm traveling, I put my AirPods in here, and so I've got easy access to them when I'm carrying this, that I can just get to my headphones if I wanted them. Opening up the bag. So I did leave all my normal items in here. So opening up the bag here, lots of small pockets here. You've got a bigger pouch down here. So for me, I've got a Streamlight Micro Streamlight in here. I've got a Right in the Rain pen. I've got the larger 500 lume macro stream flashlight in here. I've got a spare knife. In here, I've got my charger, okay, because you never know when your phone or anything else is going to go dead to be able to charge it up. I've got a adapter for my MacBook Pro, as well as a flash drive thingy. So I keep that all the time in here. This is usually where I have my computer. So right here, I'll slide my computer in here. And then behind here, this is where I have my body armor. All right, so this is a Angel Armor. This is a level 3A plate. It's a 9x12, so the 9x12s fit in here perfectly. This one is super lightweight and thin. I love this thing. And this, it just slides right in there perfectly. And for me, usually I can carry my computer in here. If I'm traveling and I have like my iPad, I can put this in here as well. And I still have plenty of space left in this bag. All right. So that's it, you guys. Like I said, I'm keeping you guys up to date on the stuff that I like the best. And like I'm a big bag person. And for me to say that this is my favorite bag right now is that's a pretty big deal because I have so many of them. But I've been using this thing for months, and I really enjoy how it's set up, and I really enjoy how comfortable it is to wear, and just overall, it's great. So hopefully this is helpful.